Yes, welcome back to my channel. I'm telling you today that you have something special. You have greatness within you. Today, I'm going to share with you how good habits are formed. How good habits are formed. Maybe you have bad habits and you really want to change it to good ones. You may be wondering how long it takes to change any habit completely, or you may be curious to know the process it takes to change any bad habit. Today, I'm going to show you exactly that. If this is your first time of watching my video, I want you to please comment below and ask me any question pertaining this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Listen to me carefully. Psychologists told us that it takes 66 days to change any habit completely. Now, every habit, either good or bad, pass through 3 stages. Stage 1, destruction. You see, every habit, either good or bad, pass through destruction. Maybe you have bad habit and you want to replace it with good one. You will need to pass through the process called destruction. Destruction, to destroy the bad habit. You see, in the beginning, it will be hard. It will be difficult because you are destroying the neural pathway of the bad habit. You are destroying the creator of your emotion, and then you need to pass through the stage called destruction. And before you can destroy any bad habit, you will need to wait for 22 days. So it takes place after 22 days. Destruction takes place after 22 days. That is stage 1. Stage 2 is confusion. You see, the old habit has been destroyed, and then the new habit has not yet been installed. So you are at the middle. So you will be confused, maybe to go back to the old habit or to move towards the new habit. So you will be confused, you will be at the middle. You will be confused, and then you will stay at this stage for good 22 days. At this stage, you will feel like giving up. You will be tired. You will feel like giving up, changing your bad habit. So you will be at the middle, and then you will stay at this stage for good 22 days. That is stage 2. Stage 3 is integration. You see, this is when the new habit has finally been installed. The new habit has become automatic. It has reached the stage called automaticity. It is part and parcel of you. It has become automatic. The habit has become automatic. And this happened after 22 days. The first stage is destruction. It takes place after 22 days. The second stage is confusion. It takes place after 22 days. And the third stage is integration. It also takes place after 22 days. So when you add the 3 figures together, we are getting 66 days. Now, for you to change any habit completely, you need to persist. Maybe you have a bad habit and you want to replace it with good one. Now, for you to replace your bad habit with good one, you need to practice the good habit for straight 66 days, because it takes 66 days for that your good habit to become automatic, for that your good habit to reach the level or the process called automaticity. So you need to do it every day. You need to practice your good habit. The good habit, you need to practice it every day for good 66 days. So you need to do it every day. Don't feel tired. According to Tony Robbins, he said that it is not what we do once in a while that change our life, but it is what we do consistently that determine the quality of our life. Very powerful. Oh, great. So you need to keep doing it to destroy the bad habit. Thank you very much. Comment below if you like this video. Comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thank you very much. God bless you.